All right, I am going to show us the necessary items, you might say apparatus, that are needed for a successful catfish hatching. It's very necessary that we get conversant with the required items we need. All right, first and foremost, this is you need what we call spawning fish hormone. It is called hovolene. All right, spawning fish hormone. Now what this hovolene does is that it ripens the egg in the belly of the female catfish and get it like separate the egg from the tubby, so that it can be extracted out. So here in Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria, I think this is about 10,000 naira. That is how it is being sold. Secondly, you need a syringe and a needle. A syringe and a needle. What I have here is just a 2 ml syringe and a needle. It's just for injection. You'll be using it to draw the injection to inject on the fish rather. Then thirdly, you need a normal saline water. I'm going to show us where you need to use all these items. The normal saline water, after extracting the milk from the male catfish, you pour it to fertilize the egg. So the normal saline water also used, like it's been used, maybe the milk was not okay, so you use the normal saline water. And also you can also use it for sterilization of the things you use. Some people do use the water we got from our normal AC. No, those droplets, those water, it's also very, very okay. Then you need a dissecting blade, a surgical blade. It's either a razor blade. Some people do use knife, but I'm very, very okay with a surgical blade. So you use a surgical blade to dissect the belly of the male catfish to get the milk sac. You also need a rubber spoon. Please do with rubber spoon, not the iron spoon. A rubber spoon for thorough mixing. You need a bowl also, a very clean bowl, in order to scrape out the eggs from the tummy of the female catfish for mixing. And most especially, you need a rag or a towel, a very clean one, because we all know that catfish is very slippery, so there is no way you can hold it with your bare hands. So you need a towel to hold it firmly, and also to clean away water. At least 3 rags or 3 towels will do. And last but not the least, a measuring scale. This is a digital scale. It is very, very okay. So far your battery is okay. So we are going to measure the weight of the female catfish, so that we know the amount or the volume of hovolene to inject inside it. So you can either use the manual scale with the spring, or you can use the digital scale. So with me here I have a digital scale. So at least these are all the things that are required for a successful catfish. I hope we are conversant with it, and I'm going to show us that. Like, remember what I said I'm going to be showing us a step by step. So where each of these items will be needed, you will see for yourself. All right, okay, thank you so much.